Hello friends! In this lecture we will explore what we are going to learn in this section. In this section we will design UI elements in Photoshop, which includes navigation, glossy button, call to action buttons, pricing table, slider and more. We will start with the navigation menu. We will design different kinds of menu. Then we will see how to design an awesome glossy button. Next, we will design different kinds of call to action buttons. Then we will design pricing table, contact form, progress bar, slider. So there's a lot to learn in this section. After completing this section, you will be able to design awesome UI elements in Photoshop. So let's jump into the next lecture where we will design a simple navigation. Hope you will enjoy it. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.